Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss about another simple LeetCode problem, majority element. You will be given an integer array. All we need to do here is identify majority element. What is majority element here? As per the definition, the majority element is the element which appears more than floor of n by 2 times. Here n is array length. For example, if this is the input array, its length is 3. 3 by 2 is 1. Any element which appears more than once is called majority element. 3 appears 2 times here. So 3 is called majority element in this example. There is another input array. Its length is 7. 7 by 2 equal to 3. Check does any number appears more than 3 times here. 2 appears more than 3 times. 2 appears total 4 times. So 2 is majority element in this case. You may assume that the majority element always exists in the array. Also, the input array never be empty. If you notice here, the input array size is at least 1. The expectation is solve the problem in linear time and order of 1 space complexity. Let's discuss the logic. The very first solution we can think about is using a map. Let's say if this is our input array, then we will iterate through the array and keep track of each element count in the map. Key will be the array element and value will be the count. Finally, we can check the element count which appears more than n by 2 times. But this is not the solution expected here. It requires additional storage space. Our next approach is based on Moore voting algorithm. As per the problem statement, the majority element must appear more than n by 2 times. Here n is array length. That means the majority element appears more than other elements in the array. I mean, in this array, 2 appears 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And rest of the element appears only 3 times. 1, 2, 3. If we start cancelling or eliminating majority element with other elements one by one, at the end at least one majority element will be left over. For example, we will cancel this 2 with this number 1 and these 2 with 5 and these 2 with 1. Finally, there is 1 left over 2. That's why 2 is called majority element here. We will put this logic in a structured way. We will declare 2 variables, count and element. Their initial values are 0. Now we will iterate over the array. Initially we will be at index 0. We are here. The current number is 2. At any time, if count is 0, then we will assign current number to element variable. We will assign 2 to element variable. So its value is 2 now. Now if current number matches with element, then we'll increment count value by 1. So its value is 1. In the next iteration, the number is 2. Count is not equals to 1. So no need to replace element value. Now we will compare current number with element. Both are matching. So we will increment count value. So this value is 2 now. In the next iteration, the number is 1. Again count is not equal to 0. We will compare element value with current number. Both are not matching. Let's decrement this value. 2 became 1 now. In the next iteration, the number is 5. Again count is not equal to 0 and element value is not matching with 5. Decrement count value by 1. So it became 0 now. In the next iteration, the number is 1. Since count is 0, replace element value with current number. Here it is 1. Now let's match element value with current number. Both are matching. Let's increment count. So its value is 1 now. In the next iteration, the number is 2. Count is not equals to 0. 1 is not matching with 2. So let's decrement this value. Count became 0 now. In the next iteration, the number is 2. Since count is 0, let's replace element value with current number. Since element value is matching with current number, increment count. So this became 1 now. We are done with all iterations. The variable element value 2 is a majority element. Just return this back. This is the logic to find majority element in an array. Hope you understood. Let's write code now. I have already copied method signature for majority element from LeetCode. It takes integer array as an input and returns back an integer. Let's declare count and element variables. Their initial values are 0. We will iterate through the array using for loop. If count is 0, then assign current number to element variable. Now, if the element is matching with current number, then increment the count. Now, if the element is not matching with the current number, then decrement the count. Finally, return the element value which is majority element in the given array. We are done with coding. Let's test our code. I have already written main method. We are calling majority element with multiple inputs. Let's run. Here is the result, which is as expected. This is about how to find majority element in a given array. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.